Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The Jamaica Stock Exchange Limited unaudited financials for the 6 months ending June 30, 2025 reports a 66% increase in the 6 months net profit. The exchange, led by Dr. Marlene Street Forrest, reported a 26% increase in turnover, totaling $1.52 billion compared to $1.21 billion in the corresponding period last year. Fee income amounted to $1.07 billion, which represents an increase of 11% year over year. Consequently, cess on stock trading increased by 131% to $347.77 million compared to $150.36 million for the 6 months ending June 30, 2024. Investors can look forward to passive income from listed companies. NCB Financial Group Limited has declared a dividend of 50 cents per share payable on September 5, 2025 to shareholders on record as at August 22, 2025. Sterling Investments Limited has declared a dividend of 0.78 cents per share payable on September 12, 2025 to shareholders on record as at August 22, 2025. Charles Ross, Managing Director of Sterling Asset Management, is urging Jamaicans and others across the Caribbean to rethink their retirement strategies as people are living longer. He told RJR News that smarter, more flexible retirement plans are needed to sustain retirees well into their 80s and 90s. Mr. Ross warns that too many people are reaching old age without a financial cushion and wants new entrants into the workforce to start saving early to take advantage of the time value of money. For the trading period ending August 11, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 29,862,273 units traded, representing 58.99% of market sales volume. Investment house Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 11,728,643 units traded, representing 23.17% of market sales volume. Cigarette distributor Carreras Limited with 2,560,572 units traded, representing 5.06% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On August 11, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $70.80 million purchased and US $64.82 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.61 per dollar, selling the US at $161.17 and buying the US at $159.56. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 93 cents per transaction, with selling at $117.48 and buying at $116.55. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.16 in profits, with selling at $215.85 and buying at $213.69. For our credit report tip of the day, strong credit is a powerful tool, but it's only valuable if you use it to acquire assets that generate income and grow in value. Too many professionals stop at being loan approved without taking the next step towards ownership. The key is to treat your credit like a lever, not a trophy. Pull it to open doors to real estate, businesses, and investments that will work for you long after the loan is paid off. When you're building something from nothing, for many professional women over the age of 45, moving from financial recovery to rebuilding after setbacks to financial resilience, which is staying steady through life storms can stir up more than just numbers. It can uncover emotional triggers that make progress harder. You may face criticism from loved ones or friends who doubt your goals, or confusing financial jargon, or the sting of past mistakes. However, your focus is clear. Grow the cash in your bank account and take the next step toward owning an income-producing asset that works for you. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.